We have our new tracks. We need some audio. So we're going to go here to File. We're going to import some audio in. So I'm going to go here to Audio. And here I can select audio. So, for example, I'm here on my hard drive. I'm looking for some sounds here. I've got a few things I'm looking at. I can select the file here. And if it's WAV, of course it is, I can go right here and play it, right? But I'll see it also here down here in the bottom of the box too, and I can play it from here too as well. Now you notice here in this input box, I see everything. I see the bit depth. It's 16. Remember, the session is 24. I see the sample rate. It's 44.1. My session's the same. It's 2 channels. That means it's stereo. Type here is a wave, the length, and the size in terms of megabytes. And this is 1.994 megabytes. That's the M right there. I see the name of that sample right there, right? If I want to use it, I can press Add here, and it will set it up for the session. I can convert it. I have my start and end times here, which you can see right here. I can select and move this little button here, right along here, and select where I want to play that sample from. Stop. This is the audio for my playback of the imported sample that I plan to import right here. Let's play it back. Too loud. Bring it down. So we can adjust everything right here in our import window. That's just one sample, so let's look. Let's look at something else here. Let's look at this one right here. Okay. So it's playing right here and playing here. So that's, I can play it from here too. That was lower. Stop it. Now you see it's right here in the list. That's pretty good. I got one there. As I went to the next one, it just changes here, right? So we're not really adding much. So let's say if I go here with this sample and I want to add it. So I can add it to this clips import. So on this side, on the right-hand side, we have the imports. So I can go add. I like it. I want to keep it. If not, I can remove it. And these are the clips to import. So I don't want to add. I want to copy because this clip, the original, is on my computer's hard drive. But I want to make a copy of it because I want to put it on that external drive because that's where all my files are inside that session. So I can copy it. And also, I want to probably do something to those samples anyway, that I put in here anyway. So I got one there. I might pick, let's see, pick another beat here. Let's go for New York City, and I'll pick another beat here. Stop that, it's there. Took a level. That's not bad. I can add that one too. I don't want to take this one here. I can pick the one I want to remove. Remove it. I want to copy it. So I'll select it here. I'll copy that also. They're copied here. Now I can apply here. We have this, and this is to apply our sample rate converter, right? Right here. The SRC. I can apply this right here. Let's apply that. And now we can select our source sample rate. Number 4 is 44.1. And at 44.1, I want to keep this sample at that same sample rate for the session, right? I have my destination sample rate. So this is the source rate, and this is the rate we'll end up having. And we have a quality. I can tweak it. So here we have several options. We have low. Low quality means it's going to go through fast, calculate it up, it's going to be fast. Good is good. Better is better, and this is best. Best will take longer, and tweak had to be the slowest, but I'll give you the best sound. I'll use that, and I'll select done. Now once that's done, it says, well, in here, yes, put it right in there. My audio files, right? And as you can see, it processes it, and it puts it up. It says, okay, I got those files for you, but I have an audio input option box that comes up. And it gives us our destination. I can put it on a brand new track or in my clip list. I can set the location. If it's a brand new track, I can say I want to start from the beginning of the session. If it was a song, it'd be song start, or a selection, or a specific spot in my session. I can select that, and if I do, Pro Tools will put it there for the location. And these options all pertain to new track. If I select clip list, there are no options here. It goes right to my clip list. I'll press OK, and now those samples will appear in my clip list. Now here in our mix window, we don't see the clip list. So we're going to go back to here, to our edit window, and I'm going to go here to my right-hand side of this, and we're going to open it up, and at the top of the clip list, we'll see our samples right there. See them? They're right here, and they're in stereo. See that? They're right there in stereo, and our samples appear there. Let's close this back up. The names appear there too, since we have a little help tools going on there. And I have a stereo track, right? Here's a stereo track right here. I can take one of these clips. I'm going to grab the top one, and see I'm dragging it right into the session. Right into the beginning. And that clip appears here. See that? When I put my cursor over there, it turns into the speaker, and I can check that clip out. Or I can play it from the top. And now I've imported a clip, and I put it on a stereo track.